Want to study in the USA but don't know where to start? Don't worry, we will help you with making right choices. In this video, I'll take you through the step-by-step process to make your study abroad dream a reality. Let's get started. First, you need to find the right university that matches your academic goals. Consider university rankings, course curriculum, tuition fees, and scholarships, as well as campus facilities. Use websites like US News, QS Rankings, and university portals to compare options. Shortlist at least 3 to 5 universities. Next, make sure you meet the admission criteria. Most universities require academic transcripts, standardized test scores like SAT, ACT, GRE, GMAT, English proficiency tests, such as IELTS, TOEFL, letters of recommendation, and a statement of purpose. Each university has different requirements, so check them carefully on their official websites. Start preparing early for SAT, ACT, GRE, or GMAT exams and aim for a competitive score. You can use online courses like Khan Academy, Magoosh, and Udemy. Practice tests will help you improve speed and accuracy. Stick to study plans to stay on track. Your statement of purpose, or SOP, is your chance to shine. It should cover your academic background, why you chose this university, and your career goals. Also, ask your professors or employers for strong letters of recommendation that highlight your strengths. Double-check all documents and submit your applications on time. Some universities charge an application fee, so be prepared. Keep an eye on early decision versus regular decision deadlines, as well as required essays and additional materials. Worried about tuition fees? Don't be. There are plenty of scholarships and financial aid options available. Merit-based scholarships, need-based financial aid, and government and private scholarships. Check out scholarships like Fulbright, Chevening, and university-specific grants. Once you get your admission letter, it's time to apply for a student visa. Here's how. Pay the CVS fee, complete the DS-160 visa application form, book your visa interview at the US Embassy, and prepare well for the interview. Common questions include, why did you choose this university? What are your career plans? How will you fund your education? Congratulations. Once your visa is approved, book your flight tickets, arrange your accommodation, whether on campus or private rentals, and pack essentials and important documents. And that's it. You're now ready to start your study abroad journey in the USA. If you need expert guidance on university selection, applications, or visas, Admyted is here to help. Call us at 1800-202-3370 and visit our website www.admyted.com.